I started losing my hair when I was close to 40. Actually, I was late. Every single movie, every single picture, I just decided that he was a doctor. You know, I got that feeling from my heart that he was a doctor. My procedure day was great, no pain. We have a lot of fun. We went like this. Communication is not an issue. Any question, right away, email, phone calls, it was answered like this. You know, so and, you know, the results are truly amazing. One procedure. I thank Dr. Bolton for really, you know, my expectations were met and beyond.
Gosh, 8 years ago.
8 years ago, and it's looking better every day, it seems. You sat me down and you wouldn't let me leave until you convinced me that this could be fixed. I could tell you were very sincere and, more than anything, very dedicated to what you were doing. I'm so grateful that I did come to you. Well, I couldn't be happier either, and I appreciate you and I appreciate your expertise and the artist in you.
Thank you so much, man. Well, I appreciate you coming in. Thank
Absolutely.
you very much for everything.
Last week we've had a patient from Egypt, a patient from Trinidad and Tobago.
I would say do it. If you're ever thinking about it, do it. They're very comfortable, very relaxed. The aftercare is incredible. Lots of support, and yeah, you smile and you'll be throughout the year when the hair comes through.
Alright, I just had this procedure. I got the max harvest. I got it done 2 weeks ago. I was happy with my results from my previous hair transplant from Dr. Bolton. I got the same thing I just got 2 weeks ago. I got the max harvest. I made the appointment with Josh. So I got the temple done and the top as well. So, and now this is 2 weeks out. Grow out my hair and comb it back, and I'll have a real strong, solid hairline. That was my main goal for this procedure. It looked good, but now it's gonna look great.
And knowing you, I think in about 5 months it'll be looking pretty good, so we're excited for you.
Yeah.
Wonderful job. I like it, you know, so far.
How about with women? How is it with the hair with women?
They say, hey, I like your hair.
Excellent.
You know, so
Alright, so what we did was a max harvest hair transplant. Perfect.
I'm glad, you know, and I can come in the office, see my doctor, and then hook me up more.
Congratulations.
I know, you're the best.
Thank you.
You know.